Sami Jamfi obi a wotie bibia ebia no aye busy mon kan che ne say on fa phone ene ya mfra Agradaa mon kan che ne say with immediate effect on pese obebonidin with immediate effect on pese wode ne picture ebeto ne page so oh yes sir
on stop no
assembly na be
on block no kra
ebeko form kra anafe matisi okeka say obehwehwe baby Sami Jamfi office wo no what the 800 no abrand back
almost stop no
NDC boys monkote ho odu ho amompo no
oh dabi
my name is Agradaa. I am not a coward. If you are a man with balls, come out and mention my name Agradaa for me to put you into your position. Uno pia for chimie free me soko Sami Jamfi achemi sika enipa empie machira wona adwen na wo chimifuo bi to say hopeless man like you upie abachira wadwen. You are coming to threaten me. You are coming to threaten me, Mr. Hopeless. Come and mention my name for me to start with you. You are nobody in front of me. So crass someone would take on my gun. I will not be a man.
Oh, Shisha, and only one Juba, Prophet Dr. Bendigo, Invisible Teaching Hospital.
For your spiritual healing, please come to Nsawamu Ureku Liberty House, where the hospital is located, or Kingdom of God Ministry International, or Twase. For further information, please contact the following numbers:
020-859-9576.
I would say I'm 24 hours before near nam a whole apostle. It's if you know what you are based on what you media, Mama parts, one year brother Sami Jamfi. One nam a whole apostle and Quasam Sagana for a can 70 year pa. Now Hopeson Adorye ya or can't movement for change a home. Nature sister gives the Empress Adorye, Nicono Hopeson Adorye and Assam. And I make one also Edna no Abato and Semia H. Going na watches Sami Jamfi no. One young fool so be I a day in the Mrebay and a Ghana higher chamber. I say, so we get $1 untimi and fanche. Hopes not air chess and Segana ha, and our Dr. Muhammad Baumia, we $1 share in summer and a pete when I watch chess. I brand a crown, not $1 rates in a say, and yen $1 rates at the for my girl, the Sami Jamfi, the chairman party or the son, a bear fian, my party crown, watch it then is a be a funeral. And no, and I hopes and air chess Sami Jamfi, one young from so be I in Ghana for a money and concord, and never more the one be a quarter mass. Sami Jamfi said, one ye, our mama party no anchor sahu. One mama party one and say, I did be a four no Sami Jamfi who dear. Me mama no enter the platform so enka ho asem. Afen so what is some mama party no essay or this can be san kwa kuma Sami Jamfi. O ka tell Sami Jamfi say, one more boys in the office so some mama party bo no hu so e this can no ebe bedu no office ho no dia ene na nyo bi ku mentwe na bo si akwa nkasa ene de niti akwa kwaji achema o ma ne boys no emu ne yie pa de nti na Hopeson e chese mama party discard sign kwa boys no emu no say na Hopeson Adorye e che ni nsem no fly e wo TV XYZ eso
Sami Jamfi obi a wotie bibia ebia no aye busy mon kan che ne say on fa phone ene ya mfra Agradaa mon kan che ne say with immediate effect on pese obebonidin with immediate effect on pese wode ne picture ebeto ne page so oh yes sir
on stop no
assembly na be
on block no kra
ebeko form kra anafe matisi okeka say obehwehwe baby Sami Jamfi office wo no what the 800 no abrand back
almost stop no
NDC boys monkote ho odu ho amompo no
oh dabi Hopeson
hey me no double threat here
no
see me
it's a brother di
I see some kokko
no
Mogabi Maame ni film
thank you
be say omunkobo Sami Jamfi hu ban
fantastic
so what do wa mun papa da ni so
oh dabi Hopeson take it out please. We are here to educate, to inform and to entertain. Take it out for
inform me na me inform me say what do wa mun papa da ni so.
All due respect to my senior brother, take that word out please. With all due,
they say Sami Jamfi office
we try
me nka tie me my position me
ebro there with all due respect.
Mogabi
no
my position me what am eba
no
before say
the microphone is off. With all due respect, take that word
before say me out no my position answer ma taking it out man ka say mon kobro no me say o momra Sami Jamfi office tie o momma Sami Jamfi office
o mon protect no
Adia, what women said
you've not taken it out.
Till women said you apostle this government.
No, but you've not taken it out.
What say?
No, take that side, your papa and so take it out.
Or office what you about papa.
Hopeson, with all due respect.
Huh?
You are my senior brother.
Or Marty that.
With all due respect.
Okay, my way,
I would say, my parts at his answer, we know, say, I and one is saying, and I'm be also what Hopeson. I want to walk. I say, Mama Pass, I catch your hopes, Adorye say, and for any honey, and prankers, Macum. So, no, no, popuna, and you no woman Gaddafi now, Hopeson. Obabe popo ni dia chen mama pass e ti kurom ha ene ehu ne wo Hopeson wo ye do kokoto airport nsem ne niam e kofa hu na ye nyina ye nim na ka na kan no tum e ti mama pass en ka je Hopeson Adorye say so waso na foforo wo mama pass de mo fa na bobo ne fi se wo no ye hunahuna no
empanifo kan ya moa se asem ba kwase bi etimi ka bi do fochie na Adorye en obi e ka bi na kasem aba na se enipa ka bi na ye be nipa bi ama na be ka bi ya yes hopeless fool opani a wanchimie agye nyansa e woni kuru so obekye na adwe to obetro challenge ama me Agradaa se me boni din na me boni yiri din obekye me atu papa we are coward, we are useless, we are fool, we are idiots, we are motherfucker. Now me force our what's now radio no so trying to disrespect me. What do we need shimmy funny jar trying to disrespect me? Papa, now me force our boss. We are guy, we are gas. Kaobe bomidi Agradaa. We are coward. I am putting it to you. We are very fool, stupid. I don't take you serious. And nobody take you serious. You are trying to belong, but you cannot belong. We are peer. Foolish fool. AKA Metopeoche. Why are you useless in life? Why are you useless in politics? Why are you useless in Ghana? What do I know to do? Pinimu to form a qualam for when you say, penny for when you say, Papa, I'm telling you, my name is Agradaa. I am not a coward. If you are a man with balls, come out and mention my name, Agradaa, for me to put you into your position. Uno pia for chimie free so call sami jemfia chemisika enipa empie machira wona adwen na wo chimifuo bi to say hopeless man like you upie abachira wadwen. You are coming to threaten me. You are coming to threaten me, Mr. Hopeless. Come and mention my name for me to start with you. You are not body in front of me. So crass someone with the tip of my gun. I will not be a man. Mr. Hopeless fool. So chimney and I would chimney or my gun. I will not be a man. Make Agradaa say, we a bear my body D. My Bob Rachel. Mi wani munyam chen. Mi ni munyam san chen. Wo yira wo dawachi. Anya na fene me. Mi tu me hene. Artificial shaho. Mi tu me to. Artificial shaho. Mr. Hopeless fool. We are very stupid. We are very idiots. For you to threat me over Sami Jemfi. Dashimi Maame, come out to mention my name. I will lash you and put sense into your mind. Uchimi wa mind mududu. Uchimi mududu. Every day now they me akotsina radio so. Every day now they me akotsina TV so. Now udi menim. You are coming out to threaten me. Sami Yoba. Memo yidi. We yidi my foot. Mr. Fool. We yidi my foot. Wakasa my foot. Wakasa send a common table. Send a common home. Do you think I am a useless fool like you? Bring yourself. I will give it to you left and right. Watch me and Wakana. When you nipa and Momon Kanchero, Midi and the Agradaa. Mr. Hopeless Fool, come and mention my name. I will arrest you and put you into your possession. Master Mwaba, you can share your opinion, but you don't have the right to threat me. Mama Udi, Mama Wabaso. Edi Papa Pampo. We don't pay attention on them. Not useless man like you. Not foolish man like you. What bodam papa? You don't respect. When you feel no, na fene. I work with my hands. That's your prostitute wife. You cherish her. That's your prostitute wife. You cherish her. But you leave that your prostitute, stupid fool over there. And come and threaten me. Threaten me. What have I done to you? Have I come to your lane? If Sami Jemfi has dashed me money, is the money your money? Anna, no cancer, now when you Sami Jemfi picture and free the page. If you are a man, you have balls. Come out and mention my name. You do better in position. Would me or my gun and ache. But me, I will silence you. Catch them. The law is there for everybody. You can't use the law to intimidate me. Someone might threaten my life. Papa, don't let me start. Bring yourself. Come and mention my name. Bomidi Agradaa. Upekra Bo Agra. If you are a man with balls, Bo Agra Keke. For me to start with you. You don't think. When you know what that is chubby, what that is toy, what that is artificial, you respect her. Me, I am a natural woman. Nothing. As a man, body ni permit na woman do ya. Who am poor way so much na what? Useless fool like you. You don't respect. Who told you to go and sit on radio trying to disrespect me? So you remember. So I know what to do. I'm throwing this challenge to you. If you did not come out because you threw the challenge first, that shows you want to fight with me. Mr. Useless Fool, aka Metoroche. Put out for Jimmy for what's your toe? What about my life? Say I tell this country, or be a channel. So you get the confidence. Go to radio station to threat my life. What damn? Go and threat your useless wife. Go and threat her life, not me. Not me. If you are a man, mention my name and let's start. You do be china bigger. Useless. One more bra. Beggar. Fool like you. What class in me? What fed me? What done the politician dog? What done the politician crammy? And I will put whoa. Now would shimmy. Useless fool. Useless, hopeless fool. Can I mention my name for me to start with you? What bodam papa? What you didn't have me? Oh, me three one me digital. Me kwaya me to, me kwaya me hene, me kwaya my phone, me kwaya mano. Who you dirty, useless man, what? What's your penny? Who tell you? Who told you to come and disrespect me? What bodam chimia? Be steady. What's your my Jimmy from Buho? When we are from? When are you going to learn sense? I'll be back. Bomi dear Mechiwato. Kwasia, if you were my mention my name, for me to start with you, me I'll back. Kwasia to trust me.
Entebusia ensem ni mienu na ye de ababesom no sei na nsemi usi eje no edefa obia kire na adwene wo Hopeson na kire na adwene ma pata ba mo ni mo aye wonso ma ye hu adwen kire e wo comment section ho no emi subscribe button no so too much gh kai na fa bell ne ka ho sa no upload ne to mo apɛ wo ne first person ya wonsa ebedi kan akabi all the social media platforms so ko wa too much gh o subscribe no wa like no wa share na wo nwe bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold and I'm just so